My name is Nick Manaki. I am the CEO and co-founder of bnotes, and today I'm going to walk you through a quick demonstration on a new feature that we have coming out this week called discussions. So what you're looking at here is our development environment. You will see that we are in the 1909 workspace. There are a number of channels here, and currently we are in the general channel, of which I have a note called Collective Intelligence Presentation, which was a presentation that I gave last week here at the co-working space at 1909. So let's jump right into it. This presentation started as an idea to give a talk on collective intelligence. I built it out, as you can see here, the different slides, the content, and then published it to the general channel, which you'll see there's only one other person in at this point. His name is Lewis. He is our designer. He received a notification and then proceeded to have a discussion about the note. So I gave him some context. We're hosting an event, about 50 people on 328 here at the co-working space, and he asked a couple questions and then came up with this Dropbox link, which ultimately became the keynote presentation, Harness the Power of Collective Intelligence, that I gave the other night. So very simple. You can both now do short form and long form communication inside of bnotes, which I think it will be highly effective in your workflow. You can basically consolidate internal email, notes, docs, and now messaging within one single app. So hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, always feel free to hit me up. hello@bnotes.co. Thank you.